What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Bass Union. Today we're fishing Lake Oroville, the home pond. We got a new toy. We got the hotel on wheels. Really just picked this thing up a few weeks ago. I've been working on it and getting it ready so we can do these out-of-town trips, multi-day tournaments, just fun fishing. So I can go to Clear Lake, Delta, Berryessa, you know, all these lakes around me, and you know, not have to worry about having a place to stay. But yeah, old hotel on wheels. Basically, let me give you guys a little tour real quick. This thing is an 02 Lance 816. Everything works in it. It's got a fridge, shower, bathroom, you know, the whole 9 yards. This is it right here. Yeah, perfect little spot to hang out after a long day of fishing. Got the sink, got a little stove, plenty of storage, got a TV, just put a new mattress in there, and the tables you can eat, even a little bathroom, shower. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using this thing. Really can't wait. I brought this out to Lake Oroville a few times, practice launching the boat. It's a breeze. It's like it's not even back here. So it's got a Pro-Am tournament at the Delta coming up here next week. So I think I'm gonna bring this out there and use it, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be 2 days of practice, 2 days of the official tournament, and if you make top 10 you fish championship Sunday. This is Wild West, the Pro-Am side, and right now I'm currently sitting at 19th. So if I do decent, I might move up a few spots. You know, I'd like to make top 10. If I make top 10, I qualify for the Western Bass Shootout, and also should get an invitation for the Apex. So if I do good, I do good. If not, you know, it wasn't meant to be. But looking forward to it. Got some guide trips coming up, so I want to get on some fish and show you guys a good time. I haven't seen it this full in, it's been a long time, at least a few years. It's gonna be fun relearning this place. You know, when it's low, there's a lot of areas, a lot of offshore places to fish, but now with the water up, there's a lot of structure right on the bank, a lot of trees and different things to fish. So it's gonna be like a whole new fishery, and I'm excited to get out and do some fishing today and do some exploring. Be careful out here, there's a lot of floating debris, so if you guys are running, really keep your eyes peeled, because out of nowhere there could be a giant log, or it might look like just a little stick up, but there's a big old tree right underneath. So just be careful when you guys are running around out here. The water's come up really fast, so it's got all this floating debris out here. We're gonna get a line wet, see if we can catch some fish. There's one. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh yeah, that thing smoked it. Oh, first fish of the day. There we go. Got a big old gash on its side. Yeah, this thing just whacked it, tried to kill it. But I got him with both hooks. On the trailer, in the back, and the main hook. Dang. Got them on that Bass Union double buzz. This color is that John Pearl special. Got a white and chartreuse, gold blades. That's John's signature color right there. Check it out, bassunionfishing.com. But first fish of the day. It's not going to win any tournament, but that was fun. That was an awesome blow up. Look at that big old gash on its side too. I wonder if maybe an eagle try to get him or something. But good start. See if we can get any more topwater fish. There you go, baby. Oh, how are you gonna break me off? Well, that freaking sucked. Broke off a good one. Freaking braid snapped. Dang it. I looked at least like a 3. Got a 50-pound braid on the frame. Snapped me clean off. Well, let's see if they like the white on white. Just doing a Palomar knot. I just can't believe that happened just now. I just lost a good one. Hit it once, tossed back in there, came up, let him have it, got him, took me behind a rock and snapped me clean off. Way out there. Saw him take it. Oh, that was so sick. Saw him take it down, ate it. Oh, that's a decent one, actually. Oh, yeah. Not bad. Look at this. Old white on white bass fume buzz. Thing smoked it post spawn like crazy. Not a bad one though. Yeah, fish absolutely destroyed it. So I'm come up, just took it down, let him eat it. He smoked it. Not a bad one. I'll take it. Post spawn. I think it would be 2.5, 2.7 all day, but it's probably a 2-pounder, 2.25. All post spawn. These fish got a nice big old head on her. Let's let her go. But yeah, we broke off John Pearl's color, and we tied on a white on white. First cast with it right back in that little hole, and the thing came up and just smoked it. But yeah, white on white. This is an unpainted head, and I really like this combination. It just seems to get bit. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, a little spotty. That one took off with it too. Just watching my line, felt the little tap. Went slack, and I'm looking at my line, it's swimming off. Yeah, a little spotted bass. Got one on the, this is actually a prototype shaky head that we're working on. Got an 1/8 ounce, using the same hook with our Neds and dart heads, but this shape right here, it's got a little point, but then it widens out, so I can fish it through on the bottom, through all this wood, through all this cover, and that hook will rig weedless, so you can just skin hook it and you don't got to worry about getting hung up. But it's just got a nice taper to it. Gonna have this available in 1/8, 3/16, and 1/4. So keep an eye out. We'll have these available soon. A decent spot. Not bad. Take it. Yeah, with Lake Oroville coming up so high, we got all this brush in the water. So a lot of things to hang up on. So if you're gonna throw any of the products we have that weedless darter head, the weedless Ned. It'll come in and out of this stuff, but also this shaky head. This thing so far has been the deal. I could just bounce right through everything and work the bottom and come through that vegetation, no problem. When this thing's on the bottom, it actually sits at a 45-degree angle. So depending on what type of worm you have on there, like right now I got one of those Z-Man floating worms. So when that thing's on the bottom, it's just standing straight up. And even with a robo worm, because those things are neutrally buoyant, that tail's coming up at a 45-degree angle. So just sitting down there, it'll get bit. Don't even have to do anything. But Right now I'm just kind of picking apart this little cove, just dragging the bottom, feeling for everything. And that fish, he hit right when I got below that log. He was just sitting down there and I just felt him pick it up. There's one. Coming at me. A little spot. Love that feel. Tap, tap. Go slack. Man, the water's clear. See that fish fighting like 10 feet down. There we go, little guy. He ate that new proto. That bassy and shaky head's getting it done. It's 2 fish in like, what, 2-3 casts? Was not going away. Got that little guy. See him smoke it on the live scope. Came out of these bushes. Now this is perfect placement right here. That's on the prototype underspin that we're working on. And I know I've been telling you guys for a while, it's been a few months, but this thing right here, waiting for the molds to come in and they'll be available. Gonna have them available in underspins and also all the way down for like finesse heads, A-rig heads, but we're gonna have them in 16th, 8th, 3/16, quarter, 3/8, half ounce, all this head shape. So look out for it. It's gonna be awesome. You guys are gonna catch a ton of fish with them. First cast, switched up baits. I was using that little shaky head. That was an 1/8 ounce. Seeing the fish, they'd fall it down. They weren't picking it up, so I figured I'd go to a 16th ounce dart head. And first cast, got bit. Fish ate it on the fall. Spots are notorious for suspending and eating your bait on the way down. Little lighter on the presentation, you might get a few more bites. Jeez. Got blood all over me. There's one. Decent one. Oh yeah, that's a little better. Oh, jumper. Trying not to bang in these rocks. Ooh, largemouth. Man, largemouth are so rare out here. I'd say like 1 out of every maybe 100 fish you'll catch out here is the largemouth. Oh, he choked it too. There we go. Little post-spawn largemouth. But look at that. Choke that weedless starter head. Oh, barely got him too. He was not wanting to give that up. Let's try to get this hook out without this fish bleeding too much. There. I like that. Nice fish. It's not every day you're catching largemouth out here. I'll take it. Little 2-pound largemouth. Be a 2.5 if it had a belly. Just had to rip that worm up. It's deep in that fish's throat. I'm gonna re-rig another one. So I'm just using, these are just 4.5 inch Morning Dawn robo worms. The skinny ones. And this color, if you're coming out here, is always a fish catcher for me all year round, especially in the springtime. This is the worm. And this is a 16th ounce, so it falls super slow, almost like a weightless Senko, but you're getting that spiral action from the dart head shape. So a straight killer right now. Right there. Yep. Another one. Might be a little better. Oh yeah. There's a pile of fish right here. Feisty. She don't want to get caught. Yep, that's a better one. Look at that fish. Another good one. Now that'd be a 2 1/4. Right there, look at that fish. Smoke that dart head. Yeah, that's a good one. That's pushing 2. 2.5 pounds all day if it was pre-spawn. I'll take it. See the head of this worm still on there. Hasn't ripped up. Still hanging on. Well, we just fished some incoming water over at the Ponderosa Dam. That was a dud. Caught 2 small fish. I was really hoping to catch something bigger over there, but just didn't happen. You can see the thermocline. It went down to 57 degrees and the warm area was 62. So there's a big temperature break right there. But I don't know. I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna hit maybe 1 or 2 more spots. See if we can catch a few more fish. If not, we'll call it. But if you guys haven't already, please go and like and subscribe. When you like the video, it helps the YouTube algorithm push the video forward. And when you subscribe, you're notified when videos like this come out. And if you guys would really like to support the channel, pick up some Bass Union jigs, either on the website, bassunionfishing.com, or check out Tackle Warehouse or any of our local dealers. We also got apparel. So if you guys would like to get out and catch some fish with me, book a trip and we'll get you ripping some lips. Right when I hit record. And of course this GoPro dies. Better one? He's a little fella. Oh, he's got a few fish with him too. Man, not big, but they are fun to catch. Yeah, this fish is full. She's about to pop. That weedless darter head doing the damage. Just throwing that buzzbait. Had a few blow-ups first thing when I got here, but it's been slow. I haven't had a lot of fish come up on it. Had a few miss it. Then I put on that underspin. I'm getting a lot to chase, getting a few to bite, but the most consistent bait so far today has definitely been that weedless darter head. And this is a 16th ounce. Finesse is getting it done. There's one. I switched up baits. I threw that robo worm in there. I had some followers, they didn't eat it.
and then I had one short strike and it ripped my worm off. So I had these little, forget what they're called, but they're a little yum bait. It's like a minnow profile. So I put that on, first drop. See, it's like a, I think this is like a goby color. So the brown top. Yeah, perfect little minnow profile. Kind of matches the pond smelt that we have out here too. So not bad. I like it. It's got a nice spiral on the fall. Let's get another one. Caught maybe somewhere between 30 and 40 fish today. A few decent ones, got some 2-pounders, got a few topwater bites. That topwater isn't going hot, like full throttle just yet. I'll give it another week or two. If this nice warm weather that we got coming in, I got a feeling there will be some topwater action for sure. So get those buzz baits ready, get those spooks, get those whopper floppers, get those baits on the surface, and cover a lot of water and see if you can get some big fish to show. But yeah, caught a bunch of fish on that darter head. Had a few on the buzz bait, some on the underspin, so not a bad day. But I'm gonna get home, get ready for some more guide trips out here. If you guys like to get out with me, book a trip at bassfishing.com. Appreciate you guys, appreciate all the support. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.